Hello Forerunner! In this video we will be setting up a wallet together. Not that wallet, that's the old wallet. Now you may be asking, why can't I just use the funds I have on the exchange? Well, without going all technical on you, the short answer is so that you can transact and keep your cryptocurrency secure. We want to be able to purchase an NFT safely, right? Just nod your head. Yep, we gotta do it. So let's jump right into creating a Metamask wallet. Alright, so we're one step closer to purchasing our first NFT. So we are here at Metamask, and what we can do is hit this download button. You can choose Chrome, iOS, or Android, depending on what device you're on. For this instance, we're just gonna click Install Metamask for Chrome, and we're gonna use it from there. Once you've downloaded Metamask, it should lead you through a setup series, eventually leading to your secret seed phrase. So secure that somewhere safe and only accessible to you, because I guarantee you will need it one day. So this is important because if you lose it, you will lose access to anything in your wallet. Hold up. Okay, so you should be able to see the MetaMask extension here, little fox icon. It's very cute. And then we have account number 3. Great name, right? So this is a dummy account that we'll be using. I'm going to go ahead and click over here to expand the view so it's easier for us to see. And let's go over all these scenes here. So buy, if you want to buy Ethereum fast and be able to use it quickly without having to transfer from like a centralized exchange such as Coinbase to here, then you can use these two methods. It is going to cost more just because it's kind of a convenience fee. So just be aware of that if you do plan to do this. Send, let's say if I want to send back to Coinbase, you can do that from here, and then you can sell it for fiat if you'd like. You can also send to different Ethereum addresses. Then you have swap. I don't recommend this because it's one of those convenience things, but there's a price to pay. But let's say you're on a time crunch, you could do from Ethereum to, let's say, WETH. So wrapped Ethereum. Sometimes you'll see this currency on marketplaces like OpenSea. So just be aware of that. Again, convenience fee, but it is there for you if you need it. And then you have your assets. So if I sent Ethereum to this wallet, which we will do shortly, you'll see the token here. Let's say if you purchase other cryptocurrency, you could also see it here or add it here so you can see the balance. Then you have activity. So activity, let's say if we send from here to Coinbase, you will see that activity. If you purchase your first NFT, which you will shortly, you will also see that here in the activity, which you can view at any time. That's really all you need to know about your Metamask wallet. There are additional settings, but we're not going to go over them because we don't want to confuse you. I'll see you guys in the next.